As of now, Nexo's cost is exchanging around 0.64, which is practically 5% down from the last week. In spite of the negative opinion, Nexo holds the possibility to recuperate and could hit $2 by 2025. On the off chance that you are searching for Nexo expectation, our top-to-bottom investigation intends to respond to your inquiries like, is Nexo a wise speculation? How high might Nexo at any point go? Where to purchase Nexo? Before we start with a point-by-point Nexo gauge, we should jump into the coin's outline. What makes Nexo remarkable? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital money upheld credits to clients. These credits don't need a FACO rating, and this component makes it an appealing choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure a moment advance in 45-plus government-issued types of money. Check the Total Nexo survey here. After storing, a credit line opens up, and no credit check is essential. Clients can spend from their acknowledged line whenever for the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their financial balance. The whole system of Nexo depends on two standards: one, versatility of exchanges, and two, working with a smooth combination with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments and furthermore is a wise speculation choice. A remarkable element of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction transformations of monetary forms. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their nearby monetary standards. Nexo, specialized investigation. Like other cryptographic forms of money, Nexo also is to a great extent reliant upon value development and request and supply, and is exceptionally weak despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists differ as they would see it about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come. In view of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable large flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from 0.58 to $0.87, an extensive leap that mirrored an immense measure of early financial backer interest. In any case, it stamped nearly flattish energy till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo moved up above $0.73. However, at that point, it confronted a slight remedy and retested the $0.5 mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information showed when any remaining monetary forms showed a terrible presentation. The Nexo cost displayed security, acquiring financial backer certainty, and showing an extraordinary flood in force with no Nexo cost drop knowledge starting from the start of 2021. Nonetheless, in 2022, the cost of Nexo was revised consistently, and it shut the year around $622. Starting from the start of 2023, the Nexo token has enlisted an unpredictable development. Toward the finish of January 2023, it has arrived at a pinnacle of $85. Afterward, it confronted a sharp dive and tumbled to $52 in October 2023. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, the Nexo token has figured out how to watch out for its energy and exchanged the reach from $0.63 to $0.99 to date. From the start of 2024, Nexo has figured out how to exchange inside a reach from $84 to $99. Nexo coin holds the possibility to soar soon. We should investigate what crypto specialists think about the future expectations of the Nexo token. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a manageability advantage that impacts Nexo's estimate contrasted with customary monetary standards. The ongoing cost of Nexo weights around $64 with a 24-hour value change of plus 43% and a 24-hour volume of $3,723.53 with a market cap of $359,510.732. There is presently a circling supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In light of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a cost fall is expected. The Nexo cost forecast for 2024 is $181. According to the Figure Information Investigation, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $119. Before the year's over, Nexo is supposed to arrive at least expense of $78. What's more, the Nexo cost is fit for getting a most extreme degree of $0.90. As per our Nexo cost expectation, Nexo is determined to exchange inside a value scope of $75.4 and $65 and $667 1 year from now. Nexo will increment by 654.46% and reach $667 assuming that it arrives at the higher worth objective for 2025. As per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination, In 2024, the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.29. The normal least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $1.26. Besides, Nexo can arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.49. In spite of the fact that Nexo cost expectations for the time of 2024-2030 are impartial as far as development, the drawn-out viewpoint for Nexo appears to be positive to date. There is a ton coming up for financial backers, as expressed by specialists. Nexo cost might go on upwards, crossing 1.32 by the 2024 end and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help and hopeful figures. Nexo value expectation 2024. As per the examination and Nexo cost expectation for 2024, it is estimated that the base cost of Nexo will be around $84. The greatest expected Nexo cost might be around $132. By and large, the normal exchanging cost may be $108 in 2024. Nexo value forecast 2025. In 2025, the Nexo coin could stamp the benchmark year as the greatest cost of Nexo is gauged to outperform $2 definitely. In view of our Nexo coin cost expectation, the base extended cost for Nexo is assessed to be roughly $0.5, while the typical cost of Nexo may be around $0.7 during 2025. Nexo value expectation 2026. As per our Nexo cost gauge in light of specialized examination and past information, the Nexo cost could leap to about $31 by 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around $23 and $27 individually. Nexo coin value expectation 2027. Keeping up coupled with a similar bullish pattern, there are Nexo expectations that the coin could record a greatest value level of $4.4 in 2027. The most extreme cost of Nexo might be around $32. By and large, the Nexo cost may be $3.5 during 2027. Nexo expectations 2028. Taking into account our Nexo figure for 2028, the inside and out greatest cost of Nexo token may be around $5.2. The base cost for Nexo is anticipated to be roughly $4.5, while the typical cost of Nexo may be around $4.7 during 2028. Nexo figure 2029. As per our Nexo cost expectation, the token is supposed to exchange at any rate cost of $5.55 with a greatest cost of $6.25. Simultaneously, the typical worth of the token for the whole year might be around $5.9. Nexo value expectation 2030. Nexo coin is supposed to have a huge year in 2030, with the greatest value gauged to surpass $6 according to our Nexo expectation for 2030. The base cost for Nexo is assessed to be roughly $5.3, while the typical cost is expected to be around $5.7 during 2030.